Yes, it's everybody's favourite time of the day once again. Welcome to Satoshi's Bitcoin Chart Show. This is the Bitcoin forecast, the strength of the system, the health of the network, where we find out what's up with what is going down. Today's date is Monday, the 16th of September, 2024, the year of 1 million transactions per second or more. Experience the best of both worlds today at betbitcoinsv.com, the best casino and sports betting on chain. Have a little flutter in private using the original protocol and genuine Bitcoin. Right, let's get into it.
Satoshi, like a cowboy in the West, riding on the blockchain that they call the very best. 1 million strong, them transactions flying free. Just wait for the Tether node, you'll surely see.
Alrighty, here we go. Looking forward to seeing these figures. Right, we've got Gregcoin, BTC at 57,922, Bcrash 312, what a joke, Fisher Price Cash, who cares? But then we've got Bitcoin. The original protocol goes right back to the Genesis block. It hasn't changed, making it the real Bitcoin, the true Bitcoin, the genuine Bitcoin, and the world's first and only ever digital commodity, backed by the value of data sovereignty, making it the most valuable commodity on earth because it's an extension of our own personal freedoms and liberties. Oh, yes. Alright, there we go. Oh, I didn't believe I just did that. Let's get back on it. Here we go. So we've got Bitcoin $46. Yeah, that matches with Prev in the top left of the screen there. So let's have a look at these figures. Hash rate, we'll have a look at the difficulty adjustment on BTC. Oh, it is an all-time high yet again. Those Bitcoin miners are being squeezed. You know what I suspect? I suspect the cabal are just simply squeezing those other miners off the network because they don't want them to be around when Gregcoin collapses, because they don't want them there to start mining the genuine Bitcoin when that is revealed. So they're literally just trying to shut all these mining operations down so that they won't be around when the hash rate moves. But they're still going to have a lot of competition on their hands. Like, oof. Let's have a look at Bitcoin hash rate. So Bcrash hash rate went up and then came back down again. Bitcoin plodding along nicely there. Network nodes, so 0.21%. So if anybody hasn't seen a mining operation or node, these are they, the backbone to the new global financial system, the world's first ever common digital network. Blows my mind every time. Transactions 5.41. Let's have a look at that on BitInfo charts. So 46,914. We'll cross-reference that. Yeah, 46,107 with what's on chain. Very good. Block size, right? This is interesting. So we've had various size blocks coming through here recently. So the biggest one here is 329 megabytes. We will have to look at more details here because I did see some rather exceptionally large big blocks coming through earlier. So that's the 329. There we go. Right, so over this sort of like 24-hour period, they were mining quite big blocks. We got 345 there. I think I remember seeing a 400. I'm sure I saw that 208. 193. 572. That's a half a gigabyte block. Yeah, one day ago. So that was about 24 hours. There was half a gigabyte block. Nice. Nice. So I'm assuming something is being tested there. It looks all right. Let's have a look at this. Hash rate follows price, follows value, follows utility, follows creativity, initiative, and intelligence. If you are intelligent and you apply creativity and initiative, you can make something useful. If something is useful, it can then create value. When it creates value, it can then develop a price. When it develops a price, it can then be measured against the cost of other goods and services and used as a medium of exchange. If something is useful, it's valuable. If something is useless, it's worthless. Proof of work by network, again, this should all be over on Bitcoin, not on Gregcoin, because Gregcoin only started on the 1st of August 2017, but that's what they're trying to hoodwink us with there. So it's currently 47,000 times cheaper to transact on Bitcoin than Gregcoin. You're mining Bitcoin at a 31% comparable loss to Gregcoin. So this line here represents the block size that came through in the last 24 hours. Very good. This is transactions by network, so these remain the same. Transactions per block by network. Fees USD, oh, just gone up above a cent on Bitcoin there, but fees Satoshis, again, smashing the other coins on a log curve. Fee to block reward ratio, so as the block reward continues to go down, the block fee needs to surpass the block reward, and then we have an economically self-sustaining system, which is what we are gunning for. Right, let's have a look at the politics here. Blockchain growth by network, Bitcoin just absolutely smashing it. The only chart you really need to look at. Global hash rate 7 days. Global hash rate 24 hours. Gregcoin hash rate, look at that. So we've got Foundry USA pool, Ant pool, and F2 pool between them with, what's this, 30, 55, 67. Almost 70%. Almost 70% of the hash rate there between 3 miners. Crazy. B crash. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Other miners with 64%. 64% on B crash. Other miners going to be scooping up those coins, and the bigger they come, the harder they fall. Oof. And Fisher Price cash there. And we'll have to have cross-reference the mining on Watson Chain. All right, here we go. Right, Tau 44.9, Gorilla Pool 3.6, QD Link 19.57, and Kuv 31.88. Coin carbon cap. Look, Bitcoin absolutely smashing it. Bitcoin blockchain growth 5 gigabytes. 5 gigabytes over the last 24 hours. In comparison to Gregcoin, that's only got 211 megabytes. 211 megabytes. Good grief. Good grief. And we've got 5 gigabytes. 5 gigabytes on Bitcoin. Absolutely massive. Crypto Quant, look, the exchange is still cashing out. They are still cashing out. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Literally dropping that thing like a hot potato. Market cap of Tether. Oh, actually gone down over the last 24 hours. Still up on the week by 500 million. But I do believe they just printed, Tether printed another $1 billion. Another $1 billion. Literally just earlier. So we'll have a look at those in just a sec. USDC market cap. Oh, that's gone down over the last 24 hours. Still up on the week. Longs and short positions. Oh, look at this. So still a 0.3% short positions. Again, I mean, just totally manipulated. Unbelievable. The morning run. So you can get 1,251 genuine Bitcoin for one Greg coin. Jeepers. Mount Oliver interview. So we now got 151,432 views. It keeps going up. It keeps going up. Loving that. And Bitcoin versus Gregcoin. So again, I mean, this was Mount Oliver here. So just kind of like having a ski slope looking on the way down there. Because obviously, you know, the rumours got around. But, you know, traders going to be cashing out. And again, you know, this is what happens. You get a pump, but there's no utility behind it. But you just wait. You just wait until Terranode comes on. Woohoo! Let's have a look at this. USD. Yeah, just plodding along there. Let's have a look at Orange Gateway. Yeah, Gregcoin versus Bitcoin. Or Bitcoin versus Gregcoin. Versus Dirty Dollar. Live CoinWatch market cap just over $2 trillion. Gregcoin with a 24-hour trade volume of just 2.5%. Market cap 1.1 trillion. Oof. Going down over 24 hours. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Come on. There we are. $46. Just incredible. Incredible. And a little bit leaderboard. Let's have a look at this last week. Current week. Some, yeah. Just little bets here and there. Look at that. Oh, someone did it right. Return on investment. 84% on a $213 bet there. Oh, we got BSV Maxi there. Great stuff. Loving that. Right, there we go. We were going to look at something. Oh, there we go. I knew what I was going to look at. The Tether print. Let's have a look. Look at that. Look at that. So it was 16th of September. Look. $1 billion. That's a million. That's a billion. A billion being 1,000 million. In fact, that is 1,150,000 $1,150,000. Let's have a look at this. Just minted, as you do, made up from nothing. $1 billion. That is crazy. Crazy. So really that should be showing on the Tether liquidity very soon. $1 billion gone in. That is crazy. Right, we'll leave it there. I hope you enjoyed it. So if you enjoy these updates, please ding your donations for your appreciation to either Satoshi at Sentby.com, Handcash.io, Simply.cash, Relasia.com, Rockwallet.me or Senti.ch. We'll leave it there. We're going to do a bit of a podcast next, chatting about CSW's recent posts and the evidence in the appeal. So very exciting. We'll leave it there. I hope you enjoyed it as ever. Be aware, take care, stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next one.